Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to restore your website files from a HarmonWeb client area. Let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your HarmonWeb client area. Then once you are here, come under your services. Next is to select the services that you are trying to restore the backup for. I'm restoring for this. Click on it. Once you are here, scroll down. You're going to see backups under manage accounts. Here, you're going to see backups. Click on it. Here, you'll be able to see your recent backups for your website, mostly monthly backups. Okay, let's wait for it while it loads. Can you see the last backup was at 2023? That was September 6, 2023. Okay, you can check for other backups that you might want to restore. If you don't want that particular one, there are others that you might want to restore from. Okay, so the recent one, right, is on the this is 13. Yeah, we're restoring this for on the 13. So all you want to do now is to click on the restore, select what you want to restore, subdomains, the mail configuration, and the SQL. I'm restoring everything. So once I select these options, I click on what? I click on the restore. Click on the restore, and once you are done, once you click on the restore, it's going to restore your backup, some files in which you have deleted, everything will be restored back from that particular date that the backup was restored from. Okay. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video to someone who might need it. Thank you, and see you in the next video.